Good morning, all. Welcome back to kinematics class. Today, yesterday we were discussing about the average speed and average velocity, and today also we are going to continue average speed problems, average speed. So let me start with one problem, average speeds. Right, today mostly we'll see some levels of the problems, last advanced level of problem, how they'll be asking, right? Okay. Now, first question for you, question one, right? A man covers, a man covers, a man covers, right? Man covers. Are you there? Yeah. A man covers three equal distances, three equal distances. Okay, saying that a man covers three equal distances with the speeds v1 comma v2 and v3, right? A man covers a man covers three equal distances with the speed of v1, v2 and v3, then calculates average speed. So find his average speed. Find his average speed. Average speed. I'll give the options here. Find his average speed, right? So option A, V1, V2, V3 divided by 3. Option B, 3V1, V2, V3 divided by V1 plus V2 plus V3. C option, 3V1, V2, V3 divided by V1, V2 plus V2, V3 plus V3, V1. D option, V1, V2, V3 divided by V1 plus V2 plus V3. Right? Able to see clearly, all of you? Ashut gave answer, Pratik, Navneet, Justin, crystal clear. Okay. Are you there? This boy, what is that boy? Ayush, are you able to see Ayush? Ayush, is there? Ayush is there or not there? Tariq is there? Ayush Tarika? Anybody? Anybody? He's there. Where is he then? Huh? C is the option. Okay. Now let us see this problem, all of you. Somebody saying C, somebody saying B. So the answer is fluctuating between these two. Why? Because they may be confused with LCM. That's all. Okay. Now let me take first try to draw the diagram for anything. A man covers three equal distances. Saying that three equal distances. Let me take this is A to B. I'll take three equal distance means I'll take it as a 3D, right? Total distance is how much? 3D I'm taking. I'll take it as 3D. So in this one, three equal parts. So 1 and 2 like this. First parts, right? And second part, third parts. Let me take this is X and Y. So from A to X, X to Y, Y to B. Distances. If you take this nothing but distance d as given 1, 2, 3, 4. Here distance is traveling with the speed of v1, v1, v2, v3. So first A2x is with the speed v1, and second speed is nothing but v2, and the third speed is nothing but v3, right? v1, v2, and v3. Time intervals, if I take, this is a time t1, t2, and t3, right? Time t1, t2, and t3. Is it clear, this one? And the distances equally divided. This distance will be d. This distance will be d, because three equal distances. This distance will be d. That's all. So once you're done with your diagram, okay, graphical representation, then answer will be अपने आप आ जाता बस, right? अब देखो average speed क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? Average speed. So what is the total distance? Can you tell me what is the total distance? Anybody? क्या है total distance? What is the total distance? 3D. Very good. Total distance क्या है? 3D. Can you tell me what is the total time? कोई बोल सकते हैं क्या total time? What is the total time? कोई है? What is the total time? Total time क्या है? T1 plus T2 plus T3. Very good. So T1 plus T2 plus T3. Is it clear? So 3D divided by T1 plus T2 plus T3. Now what we require, what is T1, what is T2, what is T3, we have to take from this and we have to substitute. So for A to X, if I want from A to X, I'll erase this side. So hopefully you noted these options, or otherwise you can take a screenshot. Are you noted with these options? All done with the options? Yes, no? Okay. Okay. I'll erase that options. Right. Okay. Now you can see here. If I take what is T1? Here V1 equal to D by T1. पहला वाला इसमें क्या हो सकता? T1 equals to D by V1. खत्म. V1 is equal D by T1, or T1 can be written as D by V1, and V2 is equals to D by T2, D by T2, which is nothing but a T2 equals to D by V2, and V3 equals to D by T3, which is equal to T3 equals to a D by V3. That's all. Right? Adding all the things, just simply substitute here. Now 3D is equals to 3D divided by T1 के बदले में क्या substitute कर दे? D by V1. अब D by V1, okay? Yes, very good. D by V1 plus करो. अब D by V2, D by V2 plus D by V3. Okay, all of you? अरे ना? Fine. Now D को take it as a common. D निकाले तो कॉमन निकाले तो क्या होता तुम्हारे को? देखिए 3 divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3. Only the thing is you have to take the LCM part. So if you are confused with the C and B options, only the thing is you are confused with this LCM. That's all. If you know the LCM, then answer you will be getting. So how to take LCM for it? Let me draw here. Let me take. So here LCM, if I want to take, so 3 divided by 1 by V1. So I'll take now LCM for it is V1, V2, V3. Then I can write a V2, V3 plus V1, V3 plus, what should I write? V1, V2. So this complete term will shifted to numerator. That is 3 V1, V2, V3 divided by V1, V2 plus V2, V3 plus V3, V1. That's all. So this is nothing but average speed. Is it clear, this one? Yes. समझ गया सब लोग? यस नो बोलिए. Yes, so many of them got correct answer. Let me know how many of them. बोलिए. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Okay, at least 50%. 50%. That means maybe till this point, and after that maybe wrong in LCM. Most of them. 50% or 25% students may be confused with this LCM. That's all. Most of them will take 3v1, v2, v3 by v1 plus v2 plus v3. Yes. Is it clear now, all of you? Yes, no, बोलिए. Yes. इधर तक कुछ doubts है क्या? Do you have any doubts? Let me know. No doubts. No doubts. No doubts. No doubts. Shall we go for next problem? Yeah. Shall we go for next problem? Yes. Hope I given a problem as a homework. Okay. So LCM part you did wrong. Justin. Okay. Now we'll go for. Okay. No. Nothing to worry. Chalta ho jata. Right. So you will learn now. So yesterday I gave one homework yesterday. Okay. The same thing we're going to do now. Okay. That's the problem. You just write it down. If you want, you can take a screenshots. Just take a screenshots. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now just write down the question. Right. Now, a bus covers, second question of the day. A bus covers, right? A bus covers half, a bus is covers, right? Half of the distance with speed and remaining half, no, a bus covers 1/3 of the distance, 1/3 of a distance with speed, okay, 1/3 of the distance at a speed of v1, otherwise at a speed of v1, and remaining distance with the speed of v2, and calculate average speed. I'm not giving the options. Just 30 seconds I'll give. Try the problem. Right? Yes. Yes. This is given in previous entrance question also. This is. Okay. No options. It's an entrance examination. Right? So entrance bole to maybe an NCET examination, right? Some entrance question this is, right? Okay. Done, all of you? Yeah. A very long back entrance examination, right? Okay. Now I'll do this problem for you. I'll do this problem and I'll give one more problem to you. Just to try to do that problem. Tell me the answer. How I'm doing? Just see. See here, 1/3 remaining parts. So I'll take 2 points. This is A. This is nothing but a B. This is nothing but a C. A to B, B to C. A to B, B to C. So 1/3 of the distance. 1/3 of the distance D. So total distance, if I take, this is nothing but a D. In that, 1/3 of the distance. That's a D by 3. D by 3 distance with a speed V1, with a speed V1 and a time T1, you can take it as, right? Okay. Next, can you tell me what is the remaining distance? The last batch, somebody asking, unable to calculate the remaining distance. If this is D, this is D by 3. What is this distance? 2 by 3. Very good. 2D by 3. 2D by 3. A speed is nothing but V2. So here D by 3 V1, 2D by 3 V2. Is it clear? Total distance is what? D. Total distance is what? D. Okay. Now let me take T1. This is nothing but T2. Now if I want to write what is average speed, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance क्या है? D divided by total time. Can you tell me what is total time? T1 plus T2. That is the total time. So T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2. That is nothing but total time. T1 plus T2. Total time is T1 plus T2. Okay, now what is T1? What is T2? Right? What is T1 and T2? Yes. Now T1, see T1, V1, D by 3, 1, 2, 3 parameters. T2, V2, 2D by 3. So if I want to write V1, V1 speed traveled a distance of D by 3 in a time interval of T1 seconds. That means from which I can write a T1 equals to D by 3 V1. Similar manner, if I want to write a V2, V2 can be written as how much distance is traveling with speed V2, 2D by 3 in a time interval of T2 seconds. That is nothing but 2D by 3 in a time interval of T2 seconds. Now if I want a T2 here, T2 equals to 2D divided by 3 V2. So I got the T2, this is nothing but T1, take these two and substitute there. So I substitute there, average speed is equal to D by T1. If I take a D by 3 V1 plus D by 3 2D by 3 V2. Hope that everybody got till this one, T1 and T2. Yes. Till here you might be getting this answer. Okay. Then simply substituting there. Yes. So try to substitute the, so D by 3, if I take common, I can take D by 3 common. Then what I'll get here, 1 by V1 plus, we can write it as 2 by what? 3. 2 by 3 V2. That's all. D se D gaya. 3 will goes to numerator. From there onwards, LCM parts. So how I can do LCM parts? Let me see here. Right. So here 3 will goes to numerator. 3 divided by, going to numerator, that is 3 V2 plus 2 V1 divided by, right, 3 into V1. Yes, sorry, already 1 by 3 is taken common here. So here only V2 will be there. So I'll be getting here V2 plus 2 V1 divided by V1 V2. Am I right? So this will goes to numerator. Then 3 V1 V2 divided by 2 V1 plus V2. So this will be the answer. How many of them got the answer? Let me know. You got it? Yes, this will be the answer. 3v1 v2 by 2v1 plus v2. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. 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 Finished. Okay. Yeah. Everybody got it till here? Any doubts you have? No doubts? Good. Now same model, I'll give one problem, okay, and I'll give 1 minute's time or 30 seconds. Get a 3v1. 3v1. We are getting 3v1. So d by 3, I take it as common. Somebody saying how you are getting a 3v1. See, if I take this to denominator, v1 is equal to d by 3 t1. So t1 just cross multiplied. If I cross multiply t1, t1 can be written as d by 3 v1. That's all. D by 3 v1. Sir, fine. Okay. Now I'll give a question to you. Third question, same model. Just try this problem. A bus covers 2 by 3rd of the distance. A bus covers 2 by 3rd of the distance at a speed of v1 and 2 by 5th of the distance. 2 by 5th of the distance. 2 by 5th. 2 by 5 of the distance. Okay. 2 by 5 of the distance with the speed v1 and remaining distance with the speed of v2. Calculate average speed. Fine. I'll give 30 seconds to you just to try the problem. First, dividing this problem. The bus covers 2 by 5th of the distance. Total distance, if I take d, 2 by 5th of the distance, 2d by 5. Can you tell me what is the remaining distance? Anybody? What is the remaining distance? क्या है? 3d by 5. Very good. 3d by 5 remaining distance. So speed v1 and v2. So what we have to calculate? T1 and T2 we have to calculate. So what is the T1? Now v1 equal to, it is traveling a distance of 2d by 5. It's traveling a distance of 2d by 5 in a time interval of t1. Otherwise, we'll write this one. v1 is equals to 2d by 5 t1, or I can write it as a t1 equals to 2d by v1, right? 5 v1. 5 v1. t1 I got it as. Now similarly, try to calculate t2. What I'll get? v2 equals to v2 speed from b2 it is traveling with the speed of v2 in a time interval of t2 seconds. Then what I can write? A distance by time, that is nothing but t2. So t2 can be written as now 3d by 5 v2, right? Now take this 2 and substitute there. I got now t1 is there with me and t2 is there with me. Take this t1 and t2 and substitute in that one. So average speed is equals to d divided by, what is t1? 2d by 5v1 plus what is t2? 3d by 5v2. That's all. So in the numerator and denominator, tt will get cancelled. You can take LCM for this part. So what I can take LCM and 5 you can d by 5. So 5 will comes to numerator and take the LCM here. If I take LCM v1 v2, right? v1 v2, simply it can be written as otherwise we'll take it outside. 5 v1 v2, 2 v2 plus 3, 2 v2 plus 3 v1. Am I right? So you're getting the answer? Yes. So 5 v1, answer will be 5 v1 v2. I'll write the top there. So after that, the answer will be, take that to numerator. If I take to numerator, now average speed equals to, we'll get 5 v1 V2 divided by 5V1 V2 divided by 3V1 plus 2V2. How many of them got the answer? This one. Is it clear? How many of them got the same answer? Got the same answer? Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Fine. Okay. Now we'll go with the next problem. Are you ready? None of you? So any doubts still here? Let me know. Do you have any doubts? No? Do you have any doubts? No doubts? But late. Okay, no problem. Fine. No doubts, no? Shall. Now we'll proceed with the next problem. Right? There is this one. Just to try to write the problem. So trying to prepare the notes now. A man covers a distance. Just you can write. A man covers, third question, third or fourth question? Fourth question. A man covers, right? A man covers, okay. A distance, a man covers a distance with the speed V1 and V2, with the speed V1 and V2, speeds V1 and V2 for two equal time periods. For two equal time periods. Right? For two equal time periods. And calculate average speed. Find average speed. Right? Options I'll be writing here. Now V1 V2 by 2. Option C is V1 V2 by 2 V1 V2 or V1 plus V2. Option C V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Option D V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Anybody else? Siddharth, give some answers. Right? Okay. C. Mitchell D. C. D. C. D. Fluctuating between C and D. Right? Fluctuating between C and D. Okay. Yes. D. So let me take, see, 2 points I am taking, A and B. 2 points A and B. Saying that, let me take this distance. Distance is D. From A to B, distance is D. Okay. So according to the problem, a man covers a distance with the speed V1 and V2 for equal time intervals. That means I'll be taking from A to, let us take it as C, A to C, time interval is T only, right? And C to B, time interval is T only. So time intervals, equally divided time intervals, T and T. T and T, total distance is what? D, right? So it is moving with a speed of from A to C if I take. So with a speed of v1 and the remaining distance with a speed of v2, right? It's nothing but speed of v2. So t with the speed of v1, t with the speed of v2, right? So I want how much distance is traveled from A to C. Yes, I know now he is saying that equal time intervals. So this is t v1, t v2, t v1 and t v2, right? So now how much distance from A to C? How to calculate the distance from A to C? Can you tell me? Okay, distance from A to C. So distance from A to C can be calculated. D is equals to velocity into time, that is v1 into t. Am I right? Let me take it as d1, right? So A to C, if I take A to C is a d1 and C to B if I take a d2, right? So what is the d1 I'm getting? v1 into t, the A to C, d1 into C, distance traveled. If I want the d2, what I'm getting? v2 into t. Yes, all of you, sir? No? Clear this diagram? Any difficulty till this points? Let me know. Understood? Here? Yes. And there is this one. The options to take the screenshot here. Yeah, fine. Now there is this one. Okay. Now what we require? Average speed. Average speed. Can you tell me average speed? What is the total distance here? Can anybody tell what is the total distance? Total distance क्या है? बोल सकते क्या? Total distance. Anybody? From A to D. Total distance is A to D. D can be written as D1 plus D2. Am I right? So D can be written as D1 plus D2. So total distance is D or D1 plus D2. That will come back again, right? Fine. What is the total time taken? Can anybody tell? What is the total time taken? P and T and T, equal time periods, which is nothing but 2T, right? 2T. Or D can be written as now D1 plus D2 by 2T, right? So D can be written as here complete D. If I take complete distance D can be written as D1 plus D2, D1 plus D2, right? So what is D1? Try to substitute there. V1 into T, that is V1 into T plus, this can be written as V2 into T, V2 into T divided by 2T, right? That's all over. So here we can write the V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Here T, if you take it as common, T se T gaya. So what is left over? V1 plus V2 divided by 2. This is nothing but average speed. I think it matches one of the option in the problem, right? How many of them got the correct answer? Anybody? Yes, yes, yes. Good, 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 good. Right. Completed. Now we'll go with one more problem, little higher level. So based on this problem, which I'm going to give, till there we'll end the problems on average velocity, right? Average speed or average velocity. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Take a screenshots. Want here. Try to take a screenshots. Fine. Ready? Clear? Okay. Right. I'll write the question now. A man covers a man covers a man covers, right, half of the distance, half of the distance, half of the distance with the speed, with the speed v, with the speed v, right? A man covers half of the distance with the speed v, and remaining and remaining and remaining, okay, half, remaining half with speed, remaining half with the speed v1 and v2, with v1 and v2 for equal time intervals, for equal, for equal equal time intervals, time intervals, for equal time intervals. Find, find find average speed, find average speed. So I'll write the options here. A option, we take A option, right? 2 into v, v1 v plus v2 v divided by v1 plus v2, B option, right? 2v, 2v into v1 plus v2 divided by, right, v1 plus v2, v1 plus v2 plus 2v. Next C option, 2v into v1 plus v2 divided by v1 plus v2 plus v. And D option, right, v1 plus v2, v1 plus v2 divided by v. Just you can check it out and tell me the answer for it. I'll give a, just try the problem, right? 1 minute time will be given to try it, right? Are you ready? Yes. So I'll give 1 minute time. Okay. 1 minute time. Just okay. Now to solve this problem, first try to graphically represent this one or try to draw a diagram. See, he's saying that half of the distance. Let me take this is half of the distance. What I'll do is total distance, I'll take it as a d, so that for our calculation it will be easy. 2d I'll take. So half of the distance d, right, and the remaining half of the distance is d. Okay. So first part is easy only. First part is what? Is traveled with a speed of, this is traveling with a speed of v. Is nothing but with the speed of v in a time interval of what? T1 seconds. Over. That means from here, what is the time T1 I can get? T1 is equal to time. Can you tell me? D by V. Am I right? D by V. Time I got it as, I know total distance. So what is D we have to calculate here. Now he's saying that half of it means half time. That means till this point, half time. With the speed of v1, remaining half time with the speed v2, with the speed v2. half a time with speed v1, remaining half time with the speed v2. In a time interval of t1 seconds, this is nothing but, sorry, this is nothing but time is same, this also time is same. Time is same, this is time is same. Both the times are equal. Is it clear, this one? Both the times t and t are equal, right? Yes. Now, let me take again, this is nothing but a d1. So this is divided into again two parts, d1, and this is divided into d2, right? So as we did in the previous case, same problem, cut and pasting, right? So same problem, d1 and d2. What is the d? D can be written as now d is equal to d1 plus d2. Now what is the d1? What is d1? v1 is equals to d1 by t. v1 is equal to d1 by t. Okay, v1 is equal to d1 by t. What I require, d1, now d1 is equal to v1 into t. d1 I got. Similarly, I'll be getting d2 is equals to v2 into t. Take this and substitute here distance. अगर मैं substitute करो इधर क्या जाएगा? What you'll get here? Let me see. So v1 into t plus v2 into t. खत्म हो गया. So what I'll get now? D is equals to v1 plus v2 into t. T को common t ले लो, right? Now what is the t? From here, what is the t? T क्या हो रहा? D by v1 plus v2. खत्म. So this is t. Okay. Now average speed. क्या होता देखो? Average speed. Average speed. क्या फॉर्मूला बोल सकते हैं क्या एवरेज स्पीड का? एवरेज स्पीड अब टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या है? कोई बोल सकते हैं टोटल डिस्टेंस? एनीबॉडी? टोटल डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या है? टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम, 2d. वेरी गुड. सो d और d, हाफ ऑफ द डिस्टेंस. सी टोटल डिस्टेंस, हाफ ऑफ द डिस्टेंस, हाफ ऑफ द डिस्टेंस बोल दो d है. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 2d डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल टाइम. कोई बोल सकते टोटल टाइम. अब चलो टोटल टाइम, टोटल टाइम, टोटल टाइम इधर से इधर तक t1 है प्लस ये पूरा क्या हो रहा देखो t प्लस t. तो टोटल टाइम क्या हो रहा t1 प्लस t1 प्लस t प्लस t, t प्लस t, t प्लस t को क्या होता 2t. ओके, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ टाइम इंटरवल. राइट, is it clear? Any doubt till these points? Anybody? कोई डाउट है इधर तक? हाँ, Justin? No. Okay. Is it clear this one? यहाँ तक? Okay, fine. Now we'll proceed here. This nothing but a 2d divided by t1. t1 क्या है इधर देखो? t1 किधर आया देखो? t1 is d by v. So substitute d by v plus d by v plus 2t. 2t अगर ले 2 into t क्या है? d by v1 plus v2. खत्म हो गया, v1 plus v2. Once we substituted, just simply calculation parts. So I'll calculate here. If I calculate 2d by, I'll take d common here. D if I take common, 1 by v plus 2 by v1 plus v2. So d gaya. So I have to take LCM for it. If I take LCM here, v1 plus v2 plus 2v divided by v into v1 plus v2. Simply take this to numerator. So what you'll be getting if I take this to numerator, option B will be the answer. How many of them got option B? Ek baar. You understood this one? Anybody, any difficulty? And we take half of, yeah, you can take. Yesterday also we discussed, no? See, I can take a d and d by 2, d by 2. So what happens if you take like that? It will becomes little, what I say is little complicated calculation part. That's all, right? You can take here the complete distance if I take, the complete distance if I take, right? D. Then half of it is d by 2, half of it is d by 2, right? The calculation part, when we see the calculation part, then it will be little we feel difficulty. That's the reason I take it as 2D, because 2D can be divided into equal two halves, right? Hopefully you got the answer. Yes. Yes, sir. So 2 minutes is there. Understood? Yeah, you have to practice. This is nothing but little more and more problem. And in the next class, we are going to discuss instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. And next, what is acceleration, types of accelerations. Then we'll go for what is jerk. Okay. Then what are the kinematic equations tomorrow? Yeah. Aish, tell me what is the doubts? No doubts. Good.